I think we're getting somewhere, guys. I wanted it to be right here, but I gotta have the fucking camera on this side. So hopefully I remember not to go straight this way because the screen is right here. But I'm fucking with y'all guys. Hold on, my forehead too bright. Now that's better.
Hit me. Hit me, hit me, It's mental notes. I said mental notes. Check me out. Check me out. I said mental notes. Check me out. Check me out.
Talk your shit. Duh. Hey y'all, it's your girl Taylor Eve, but you can call me Eve. You know, it's your girl Eve, and I am here to get ready with me, and just really some chit chat, just talk to you about my life and just show you what I do. Trust me, I'm not one of those beauty gurus. I'm not trying to be in the beauty industry or anything. Shout out to this wig cap. Talk about this fucking YouTube shit. Okay, so editing these videos have been a pain in my ass. I edit on my phone, and in order for me to even save it to my Google Drive, I have to have enough space on my phone. And your girl's a fucking hoarder when it comes to pictures, when it comes to videos. Like, I literally have about 1,200 videos and about... Okay, I said 13,000 pictures. Yes, 13,000 pictures in my phone. Probably 10,000 of them may be selfies, but I have to get the picture right. Come on. All natural right now, baby. Oh, it took a while for me to love myself, guys. Pardon me for being, you know, a little vain. That Narcy shit. Shout out to Narcy. Best believe that's still coming. For all those who are, like I said, a part of my journey, been a part of my journey, understand everything is gonna get done when I say it's gonna get done. Because I've already seen it. Okay? But this YouTube thing, I mean, seriously, like it was so annoying for actually trying to download that video. Oh wait. It's gonna be kind of hard to talk and do this because I'm not used to talking and doing this. So, but I'm getting ready for a photo shoot that I have today for the cover of Unloyal Thieves. I'm going to be shooting for that today. So that's going to be so awesome. I love that I'm a part of different people's journeys, because my journey is always going to be parallel with those that are like me. So why not link and connect with people who are doing what I'm doing, who's trying to be where I'm trying to be at. That's really how you succeed, right? Right. That's a baby's bottom. I do need to shave my mustache. I mean, I got some other things in store with that writer. You know, we're definitely in the works of creating magic as well. So, yeah. So, but about my journey, I started modeling when I was in Detroit. Cause baby, what he said. Not at all. It wouldn't changed. Because my journey has really been sweet. I mean, started in Detroit, linked up with some dope people who believed in me, and once I had that taste of the life I wanted to really live, it was a wrap. So, started modeling there, and then I decided to move to Atlanta here, my lovely, 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 lovely home, because this is home for me now. Moved here, joined the modeling team, and with that modeling team, I learned a lot. I shot a lot. But now I really want to focus more on acting. I definitely love modeling as well. That's never gonna stop. It's more like, I would say, a hobby to me now. Because if it's not for a brand or for any significant type of thing like that, then what are we shooting for? I have to make it benefit for me as well. But this one is gonna be dope today. It's gonna be dope. This is for the cover of the web series. What's up? Like you've seen in my last video, I've done a couple plays, doing the acting classes, and this journey has just been so sweet. I've found myself a lot of times though getting wrapped up in life, and life is a mug when you're trying to live your dreams and really pursue your dreams. I'm gonna say that, pursue your dreams, not just live your dreams. The only reason I say live, because you gotta live your dreams in order to really do what you gotta do, baby. Once I really got hit with the acting bug, it was a wrap. It was really a wrap once I got laid off from my corporate job. And I understood I was going to a job and wasting my time for a job that didn't give a fuck about me, you know? And so now I'm just going through life. I mean, yeah, I'm older now. I don't have no kids. I mean, my dude, he's going through the same thing. So we're literally living out our journey. Like, it's so wild when you can really sit and really just be like, damn, I remember when I wished for all of this. And that's the moment that I cannot wait for. And I know it's coming because the energy, the way the world is around me and how that all happens is just amazing. Right, okay? Listen, I'm not no makeup artist. It's a lot of shit I ain't got. Ooh. I just see a couple that could be removed. When I tell you I haven't got my eyebrows done in so long, because I can only go to certain people so many times and they jack my shit up. And the Asians done jack my shit up one too many times. You know, and that's not on no racist shit, no nothing. Maybe I just didn't find that one, but some little pieces here and there that, because this motherfucker shit all the way up here, dog. I do want to try the whole nair joint, though. I wish these my edges would grow this. Grow like this. Like these motherfucking sideburns. Ashanti sideburns. Shout out to Ashanti, made me girl, you made me feel good about my motherfucking sideburns. Okay. Just saying. I mean, I enjoy doing this vlog, or, you know, and doing this YouTube channel, because it really allows me to sit and just really just talk and vent, or just have a friend with no judgment. And if you're judging me by yourself, because I can't hear this shit anyway. It's so pretty. Got this shit at motherfucking Rainbows. And I'm sorry, you guys, I do curse a lot, and I'm working on that. Maybe working on it. But you get it, because this is the real me. I told you, getting some effing realness. Oh, girl. Can't run my arms. Don't judge me. But yeah, I got this from Rainbows, and this is fire, the bomb. I wish I would have went just a little bit lighter, though. I be watching videos, but never to point, because I'm too cheap to be buying half the shit these folks be buying. way too cheap. I like having middle of the day shoots because I'm going out to eat later with my uncle, my dad's brother. He's here. He used to go to Morehouse, so Atlanta's like his stomping grounds as well. See how it kind of be a little dark? Ooh. I'm gonna just do it how I normally do my shit. I'm not gonna try nothing new for y'all. This is low-key a lot. Didn't really mean to do this much. Black opal is my... I'm gonna do some get ready with me quick everyday looks that I do. And this is literally my no foundation routine, is using black opal total coverage. But today we going heavy because I got a photo shoot. Ooh. And I'll take my brush with this one. And I just say if I'm using my foundation. Oh. It's all good. It's just with this fucking, with this damn. I'm losing hope. I'm not having a good day today, guys. Couldn't find a freaking dress that I wanted. Well, a dress that I liked for these damn pictures. My music went out. We about to be. I ain't no, I don't know. So we gonna see what I come up with, y'all. I know I even got the right brushes, or use the right brushes. If anything, that's what I'm about to learn on YouTube for sure. And I want to start buying. I need to buy me a primer to put on the bottom of my eye. don't think how people use tweezers. Can't get that shit. Yeah, way too long. The fucking glue's dry. Okay, go back to the palette. Blush, 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 blush. Time. Time. And now I'm done. I literally probably have all of like 10 minutes to do my hair. Now I'm just waiting. I'm about to change in the car. Can nobody really see me? Life of a model. Ride was an hour long. Traffic. I wasn't trying to sit in my outfit that long. Now I'm about to be outside in it. I'm so happy I did not wear that shit here. Synthetic blend. Yes, ladies. It is a blend. I've had it for quite some time now, too. Not too bad in the middle. A little bit caked up, but I just hope this photographer is good. I'm not even gonna hold you up. Not even gonna hold you up. Yank, yank.